Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam Tools no license bug. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in Task Manager to bring up the search results. Once the Task Manager app appears in the results, go ahead and click on it to open the application. This tool will allow you to manage running processes on your computer, which is essential for what we're about to do next. Inside the Task Manager window, locate the Steam process in the list of running applications. Once you find it, right-click on Steam, and from the menu that appears, select End Task. This will completely close Steam and all its background processes. Don't worry if it seems like you're shutting everything down, because Steam will automatically relaunch itself in just a moment, which helps refresh its core functions and can often resolve licensing issues. After Steam relaunches, look to the upper left corner of the Steam window and click on Steam to open the main menu. From the drop-down options that appear, select Settings to access Steam's configuration panel. This is where we'll make a few adjustments to clear out any cached data that might be causing the licensing problem. In the Settings window, navigate to the left panel and click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game downloads and cached files. Scroll down through the options until you find Clear Download Cache, and right beside it, click the Clear Cache button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Go ahead and click Confirm to clear out all the stored download data. This process removes any corrupted cache files that could be interfering with Steam's licensing system. Now, in the same left panel, click on Interface to access Steam's display and beta settings. Look for an option labeled Client Beta Participation, and right beside it you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Steam Beta Update from the available options. This switches your Steam client to the beta version, which often includes bug fixes and improvements that aren't yet available in the stable release. Many users find that switching to the beta channel resolves various licensing and tool-related issues. Finally, after selecting the beta update option, a button will appear prompting you to restart Steam. Click Restart Now to apply the changes. Steam will close and reopen, and during this process, it will update to the latest beta version. You'll need to wait a moment while Steam completes the update and fully loads. This update process ensures you have the most recent fixes and patches that address the tool's licensing bug. And that's it! You've successfully cleared your download cache and switched to the Steam beta client, which should resolve the tool's no license bug. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.